Hello all, it's the 23rd of August 2017. You're here with Dan in Essex, UK, and doing some log splitting this evening and going to be using a combination of tools. So I've got this axe from Screwfix, costs £15, weighs 3.5 pounds, and you get a nice little guard with it here. The end's nice and sharp. It's a nice looking axe, you can see here. Just feels the right sort of height and weight for me, and what I'm going to do is split some of this beech. Now, had a go at it already. I've also got some other tools here. I've got the Roughneck grenade and the Roughneck 4.5 kilo, 10 pound sledgehammer. So let's do some splitting. Right. Okay, so let's start with the axe. Using another bit of beech here. You guys can see, yep, there's a chopping block. Beech is a nice hard firewood. Right, let's try the axe. You can see I've done a few bits already here. Nice feeling axe. That's a very hard wood indeed, that piece. So let's have a bit of a laugh, shall we? So, got to try and hit this square on with this this hammer. Well, certainly did the job, didn't it? And it stuck into the chopping block. Get that out gently. Let's get some more wood to smash. What have we got here? Got some hawthorn here. Sorry, no, it wasn't hawthorn. It's blackthorn. Well, it was either hawthorn or blackthorn. I can't remember. Either way, each one is a good firewood. Let's split it. Splitting already, that is. Yep. Nice axe. Yep. Again, thorn wood is very hard. And this axe deals with it well. Yeah, nice. Let's have a bit of fun, shall we? There is it. Stick the old grenade in it. Once again, got to hit that square on. Yeah. Nice. Of course, let's try it on. It's going to be quite difficult this, because this is not a straight edge on this piece of beech, but okay, let's go. It's going to go. I'm sure of it. Yeah. See, if a bit of wood is too hard for an axe on its own, obviously a chainsaw is a good choice, but just doing this really could be a good part of one's anger management routine if people were yeah. It's one way of doing it. See what else we can do. Stick it in. Whack that in there. Here we go. Cool. Straight in that was. Go again. Yeah. Well, that's working. Pause. Now this is Laurel. It was cut last year. Try to get the straightish edge to hit probably that end. Get the old Screwfix axe on that, I think. Let's have a go. Cool. That is hard. Yes. So anyway, we'll worry about that one later. Got a bit of Holm oak here. You know them large evergreen trees, oak trees. They're called Holm oaks anyway. Holm. Don't know what this is. It's much lighter. Let's try the old Screwfix axe out on this one. Nice. Let's try the Screwfix axe out on the Holm oak. Lovely wood, this is Holm oak. harder. So what we'll do is stick the grenade on this. If it doesn't fall over, we will. One reason why Holm oak burns such a long time, it's very hard wood. There you go. That's your Holm oak. So, I think you guys get the idea. Screwfix axe, 15 quid, very good. The grenade, you can see what its uses are. You know, if you haven't got a chainsaw and you've got some hardwood to split, give it a go. And of course, the Roughneck sledgehammer, very good. Oh well, I'm going to clean this up now. Hope everybody out there's okay. Speak soon.